नमस्कार, मैं हूँ हिताशा और आज हम मौजूद हैं अन्नपूर्णा इंटर फूड एग्जीबिशन में जो कि हो रही है यशोभूमि द्वारका में। Welcome to Annapurna Interfood, sir. What are you expecting from Annapurna this time?
Okay. Uh, this time basically Annapoorna exhibition is a season's first exhibition, and we expect a lot of visitors from medium as well as small scale industry. And as GOMA is there from last 40 years in this field, we are doing complete project for dairy, ice cream, fruit juice and beverage industry, and especially turnkey projects we are doing it. So we are expecting small scale, medium scale and of course the large scale clients who wants to do the turnkey projects, and this is the ideal period, that is June is there, and in order to get the season, that is of January, we should plan to have the plant now, so people are there to.
So tell me something about your machinery and plants.
Okay. See, as a GOMA, we are Mumbai-based company, and we are having 4 factories. We are manufacturing turnkey project for dairy, ice cream, and fruit juice industry. Especially, you can say in ice cream, we are doing candy, family pack, then cups, and in juice line, we are doing the lines for mango maza and carbonated soft drinks, and the special product like margarine, then mayonnaise, as well as peanut butter lines are also there. So people are approaching for that.